New product alert. It's your girl Jessica with Nigel's Jamaican Almond World, and just want to thank you for being part of the lovers of Nigel's Jamaican Almond Oil. I love it. You guys know I love it, and I love my Nigel too. So just wanted to share our new product. We're so excited. I'm so excited because I'm making these, and of course I use Nigel's Jamaican Almond Oil. There are new Geode bath bombs, and they are made just like a regular bath bomb, except they have on the top, they have what look like geode crystals, but they're Epsom salt and Dead Sea salts. So I'm making these now, and they're absolutely wonderful. I have the lemongrass here, the lavender. This is my little personal tester. I just thought this was cool. So one day I had some leftovers and decided to make this one. And this one, I thought it was peppermint, but it's actually coconut. So just made these the other day. And so that's our Geode bath bombs. And now we're going to show you how they are used. Okay, so I have my beautiful bathtub from Michael's. Thank you, Michael's, for my beautiful bathtub. And I have one of my testers here. I just did a big order for a celebrity birthday party. Wait, I'll show you. So very cool. And so that's these right here. And this is a lemongrass one. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, and then we'll show you how to use it. 1, 2, 3. And they smell really delicious. You can smell the lemongrass. And then I just wanted to show you, so this is your bathtub, right? You're in the tub. And then show you. So of course the Nigel's Jamaican Almond Oil is in there. And feels divine. It's still spinning. Feels wonderful. So check us out. Check out the site. Our new Geode bath bombs. Absolutely love them. Oh yes, they have coconut oil in them too. So that's what holds the geodes together. So there's my little secret. All right, guys. We'll see you next time. Nigel's Jamaican Almond World. Thank you for loving us. We love you too. Bye-bye.